With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, you're given three reactions actually, right? 2C solid plus O2 gives CO2, H2 plus half O2 gives H2O, and C2H2 plus 2.5 O2 gives 2 CO2, and the delta H values for each of the reaction is given to you. Okay. So this is the first equation, this is the second equation, and this is the third equation. Okay. So you have to find out the heat of formation of acetylene. So what is this reaction? How will you write this reaction for the formation of acetylene, right? Acetylene is C2H2, right? So whenever we talk about the heat of formation, then we always form 1 mole of a compound, right? So 1 mole of a compound will be formed by 2C plus H2, right? So this is the reaction for the heat of formation of acetylene. So one way to do this question is to use these. We are anyway going to use these equations only, but one way is to write them, then going to rearrange them, add them or subtract them by writing them properly, and then cutting the common compounds and then coming out to an answer. But you can do this directly also in a very simple manner. Now in for this reaction, you are going to find out the heat of formation, right? Now you have 2C in the left hand side, right? You have 2C in the left hand side. So if you look at this reaction, 2C is also in the left hand side, right? It means that if we are going to find out the delta H of formation for this reaction, that will be the delta H for this reaction, right? Because in this reaction, 2C is in the left, and also in the reaction that we are going to find out, 2C is in the left. It means that the delta H value that we are going to take from the delta H value that we are going to take from here will be the equation 1. Now, if you look at H2, now H2 is in the left hand side. If you look at the second reaction, H2 is in the left hand side, or you can say the reactant side in the second reaction, and also it is in the reactant side in the reaction that we are going to find out for, right? Which means that you will add the value of equation 2. Now, if we talk about C2H2, and if you look at C2H2 here, C2H2 is in the reactant side in the given equation, but in the equation that you are looking for, C2H2 is in the product side. So what we will have to do, we will have to subtract the delta H value given in equation number 3, right? So as the stoichiometry for any of these reactants or products is not changing, therefore we don't need to multiply the values of delta H by any number. Okay, so just by writing this equation, writing this formation, it's the direct way to do it, right? Rather than writing all the 3 reactions and then adding and subtracting them and coming to an answer, we are understanding this concept directly. Okay, so for equation 1, the value is minus 787. For equation 2, the value is minus 286, and for equation 3, the value is minus 1310. So this will come out to be equal to, this will be plus 237 kilojoule per mole. So this will be the correct answer for the delta H of formation, right? That's all for the question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.